everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about how to guarantee your wealth. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Some billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have more money than whole nations. You may not be aware of these principles, but they are crucial to your success. And in this video, I'll be sharing tips to guarantee your wealth and financial freedom. The first rule is that you cannot get wealthy by exchanging time for money. You know that time is limited, so trading your time for money means restricting your earning potential. No one becomes wealthy by selling their time for money, and a simple check at the Forbes list of the world's wealthiest individuals should clear up any remaining concerns. If you spend money on a business or project, you can get it back, but you can't get back yesterday's 24 hours. Two of the most important financial rules are to save and invest consistently, as well as to practice frugality when it comes to money, and to pay yourself before anybody else. The idea of saving the best for the worst does not work, and you deserve to be paid first. It's common knowledge among personal finance and retirement planning experts that paying yourself first is a smart strategy for staying on top of your monthly savings contributions. This approach is based on the premise that many people are prone to straying from their savings or investment plans because it's easy to get carried away and spend your money on frivolous things. The golden rule of personal finance is a term used by financial experts to describe this guideline because of its importance. If you've made the decision to adhere to this guideline, you may begin by setting aside funds in a variety of savings accounts. In order to achieve your financial goals, you must match the savings vehicle you choose with your goals. If you're saving for a specific goal, such as a new car or a vacation, start with a more targeted savings account. Finally, no matter how small your contribution, make sure you stick to the percentage of your paycheck that you've decided to contribute weekly or monthly to said savings accounts. There is a third rule to follow, the philosophy that less is more. Too much of a good thing can be exhausting at times, and this mentality is crucial to a person's well-being, so having too much of a good thing can make them unhappy. For example, having one delightful trip this month does not automatically imply that having 15 in the same month will make you 15 times happier. However, consider this thought experiment further. There are many reasons why individuals continue to pursue more, but one of the most common is that they have a highly busy life and so have little time. So why do they keep trying? In studying minimalism, you're encouraged to prioritize quality over quantity because of this principle. If you're intentional in your actions, you'll be able to get more done with less effort. In fact, you'll be able to enjoy more with less and achieve more with less if you change your thinking. A great illustration of this is the famous guideline that reads, "Work smarter, not harder." A large part of the quote's fame comes from those who use it as an excuse to be lazy, just as quality is an important component in the maxim, "Work smarter, not harder." In my own experience, productivity is enhanced when one concentrates on the essence of the task at hand. For example, if you're a farmer, do you harvest more crops by spending more time cutting the grass and sowing the seeds? The strategy metric is known as if you don't cut wood correctly, the pieces become more damaged, hence it's easier to double check and cut correctly than to make the erroneous cut. This is an ancient technique that is thought to have been intended for carpenters. When it comes to measuring twice, it's not only for carpenters, it's for everybody who has a job to do. This guideline can indicate that you create a plan B if plan A doesn't work out. As I say, prepare for the worst and yet plan for the best, so you should plan for the best. It's important to do research before making any expenditures, whether your idea turns out to be more or less profitable than expected. For example, regardless of the specialist you engage with, it's always a good idea to do your own due diligence as an investor. Focus completely on your own path as the fifth rule of thumb. Even if you were born as identical twins, you are still an individual with your own unique genetic makeup. So it's not a good idea to compare yourself to anyone else. Your opportunities and your beliefs are not the same. And if you're lucky enough to meet someone who shares some traits with you, that's even better. There is no time to spend comparing oneself to others, since a successful person is continuously attempting to understand himself, and because this may be quite exhausting. There is no time to waste comparing oneself to others. There's a lot to accomplish if you want to attain your goals. And one thing is for sure, there's only a limited amount of time to do it, so you need to concentrate on your own route. Know your value and do all you can to boost it. The difference between a person's assets and liabilities, like the sum of what they own minus what they owe, is used to assess their net worth. When your assets exceed your liabilities, you have a positive net worth. On the other hand, if your liabilities are greater than your assets, your net worth is negative. So why is this important? Because your net worth gives you a snapshot of your financial situation and serves as a benchmark for monitoring your financial progress. For example, you may have a negative net worth right now because your liabilities exceed your assets. Alternatively, if you're already in the black, you may want to keep tabs on how much money you're making. It's one of the wisest things you can do and it's frequently forgotten, but I can assure that the more you monitor, the better judgments you'll make when it comes to your finances. The last rule is to transform fun into money. If you ask me, earning money doing what you love is a surefire method to experience financial success. This is because it is almost difficult to fail when you're enthusiastic about what you're doing and there is the additional drive of it paying your expenses. In order to pursue his passions for basketball and music streaming, Sean Carter, better known as Jay-Z, has developed a multi-billion-dollar company based on his passions. Today, he is considered the first hip-hop millionaire. As they say, practice makes perfect. And when you love what you're doing, you constantly want to do it, making your odds of failing minimal to none. So like Jay-Z, transform play into earnings as he does. To get rich, pick something you're passionate about and monetize it. Provide people value and they'll reward you for doing so. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you liked this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. If you would like to support our channel, you can click on the subscribe below as this will motivate us to do better. Thank you and goodbye.